Hi there, it's Gomey again, and we are very excited to introduce the VStream for the 20 to 22 KTM 390 Adventure. This is a 2mm quantum hard-coated polycarbonate windscreen. It is 8.25 inches, which is 5.5 inches taller than the OEM screen. So you're going to get that protection, but at the same time, you're going to get the optical clarity that quantum hard-coated polycarbonate delivers. We've measured the 5.5 difference from the top of the plate to the top of the windscreen. Again, this is going to give you all the clarity that every aggressive ADV rider requires. So call your local dealer or visit our website at www.nationalcycle.com and get yours on order today.